Okay guys, we can see the nozzles and other things of the printer by opening this tab, and we don't have to eject the plastic layer on these nozzles. We mustn't eject them. This is the tank part of the printer, and we have to fill them out with the colors that we have. And tell a note to you, we mustn't push the color place when we set it on the top of the tank. We mustn't push and press the color place because it breaks the tank. Now I'm going to turn on the printer, but we have to be careful. After we turn this on, we have to wait until 10 minutes. Just click on that, and after that we have to wait until 10 minutes. We have to wait right now until the green color of this power printer, the green part of the power printer, becomes stable. We mustn't turn this off and on. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to install an Epson driver. Okay, we have to click on the agree, press next. It will check it your system automatically. Next, you have to wait, and is going to prepare the installation. I am going to put some papers on this printer, and let's see what is going on. remove all the protect materials. I do it, so I press next. Important. So we do it. Yes, we do this. I press next. I do it. I do it. I do it. Okay, I close that. So all of them have color. I press next. I lock it. Okay, I prepare it and I do this. All of the things good. I have finished it, so I press next. I do it again. I have to say I do it. I didn't open anything. I press next, then next. Okay, okay. I put A for yes. I press skip. So the scanner driver is downloading. Print the test page. Click here when print output quality is poor. So we are going to see the test page. Yeah. Okay, the quality is poor or not? It is a bit poor. Again, and we can see nozzle check. Then I press print. This is the good. This is the best. I didn't see this even on my Epson driver. I love it. Yes, I press finish. Then I press next. I show it with the desktop, but I wanted to just show the printer to you guys. I'm checking software updates. Okay, I press install 6 items, but I don't know why I show it with the camera too. I press finish. Let's see what is going on. Prepare installing. Okay, we need to restart the computer, so I close the programs, then press the OK. I close it. Okay guys, the printer driver installed, and I open, for example, the git sheet. This is the PDF of the git. I press Ctrl+P. This is the shortcut for printing. I choose Epson, then press on the properties. You can see some different things in there, and I'm going to put the paper on this printer. On the main part, at the document size, you can choose the paper that is in there. I press this A4. The orientation of this file is portrait and the landscape. The things that, or I can say the PDF that we are printing it is portrait. Paper type is a plain paper. This is normal paper, but if you have, for example, glossy paper, photo paper glossy, and photo paper glossy, and the other paper types, you can choose it. The quality of that, you can change it. For example, draft is the baddest thing. Standard, the high, more settings. When you press on the more settings, you can see this is the draft, this is standard, this is, as you can see, you can choose when your speed is fast, you cannot see and have a good quality. So the quality right now, I'm going to set it on the high of the highest one. I see the color is color, not gray. Two sides printing, when it is enabled, you can print your paper in both of the sides, so there's no worry. On this type of papers, you can put it on the short edge. You can see the settings, and you can choose it how you wanted to print it: left long edge, right long edge, and the top short edge. Because it depends on the things that you type and the language that you are typing it. These are the options of that. I press cancel. Multi-page, for example, you have you wanted to type a multi or more some pages, you can turn it on, and 2 up, 4 up, and something like that. Copies, how many copies of each page this app gives you. Quiet mode is off. When it on, it be, and the printer sound is a bit slower. You can see print preview and job arrange light. Let's enable this and let's disable this. I press on the preview, fast, standard, high quality, document 2 up, grayscale, document grayscale. These I click on the show settings. You can see the options that are on or off in a list. You can see them in a list. I'm gonna press restore in default. Yeah, all of the things become as the default version. The ink levels, you can say see the ink levels and your tank is full or not. We have add or remove presets, so you can create one of these shortcuts for yourself. For example, I press normal color, something like this, and I put a bar chart icon, then type date and type, paper source. The things that I enabling this is not normal, so all ultra high. I do this and put this and press on the save. Let's close it. I can have and see ultra high, and the more options, you can see the document size and the output paper. For example, your document size is A5 but your output paper is A4. You can change it, or you can set it as same as the document size. When this part is enabled, you can feed the type and the printer type onto the page, and you can zoom it and you can put it on the center. I didn't do anything, and this color correction, automatic or custom. When you click on the custom, you can click on the advanced and see this color, no color adjustment, ICM, photo, and care. This is on the photo. I put it in the here, autocorrect, night sense, sepia, gray. I choose it on the autocorrect and then press OK. Watermarks features, argent, priority, hot. These are the watermarks things, and we can add it and delete it. I didn't change any things because high speed mirror image, and in here you can see the options of the Epson. For example, when your words didn't type automatically, you can head clean, and after head clean you print a nose check. Then you can click on the power print head alignment and power cleaning. These are the options. Extend settings, print queue, print and options information. You can change the language, but I didn't change it because I can understand it better than the other languages. Even in my mother science language, this is better. Okay, I again press add or remove, and then do this, and again press save because I changed something, and press save. I press close, and I'm going to put a paper in here, but I will change the paper. I will change it to ultra glossy high. I would on the best quality. Didn't change anything. Print per series fit to page. I enable it. I press OK. Then I press current page and press print. Let's see what is going on. As you can see, we can see the preview. Let's print it and see what's happening. I tried many ways to print A4 paper and the A5 paper borderless, and I cannot find any ways to print them borderless because this printer didn't support them. But you can print the smaller versions papers that are glossy. You can print on them borderlessly, and I will show you how to do it a few moments later. Watch this video, and when we achieve in this place, you can understand it. The document size that we can print borderlessly is 10x15. When you choose it, at first I restore it on the defaults. When you choose this, the borderless option appear and disappear. You can see it, but you cannot print A5 and the A4 borderlessly. And I told you all of the things about this printer, and if you buy this printer, I teach you how to set the color and how to install the driver on this printer with your computer, how to connect them. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe us. Have a nice day. See you soon.